guys. So I'm in my new truck. I'll show the back of it in a little bit. Just been doing some maintenance, few service calls here and there. I'm gonna show y'all what I've kind of been looking at for the past few weeks, what I've been working on. So I'll show that and show you what we're gonna get into on these maintenance calls today. So get to work. Alright guys, so now we've got a rooftop unit here. This was just replaced. Just checking it out, doing a maintenance on this one as well. See, this one is a Trane 090. Verify what we have, because if you notice this transformer is set for 230. So let's make sure that's what we have. Like an Elite, right? There we go. And we don't. Check 1 to 2, 1 to 3. And 2 to 3. So we need to set this to 208. We didn't install this unit, so this is a pretty common mistake. Make sure the voltage is on the right. Set this down to here. That'll increase our voltage for the low voltage side, the secondary. Of course, it usually will work with it on the wrong tap, but it could cause some other issues in the future. So it's always best just to have it on the proper tap. Alright. Double check our incoming and outgoing. I should have checked the outgoing first. It was probably around like 24, 23 volts maybe. 216. Check our outgoing secondary side of the transformer. 26. Perfect. Alright guys, I'm over here at the beach now, and we got this heat pump system here. Getting 45 on this one. 44.8, that looks good. 7.5. Okay. Alright guys, so gonna wrap this one up. Just a simple maintenance checkup. Show you what I'm kind of looking at. But that's gonna wrap this one up, guys. Simple checkups. Hopefully I'll get some service calls soon. I'll show y'all some stuff that's a little more interesting. But I appreciate y'all watching. I got some more stuff coming soon. Be sure to like and subscribe if you can, if you like what you see. Definitely got some more stuff coming soon though, so appreciate y'all watching. And I will see y'all on